Professional, definition, professional in a sentence, professional pronunciation, professional meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of professional. Professional. Pro-fe-ssion-al. Professional. Professional as a noun means a person who engages in an activity as one's paid occupation. Professional as an adjective means of high quality. Common usages in academic writing: to wear professional attire, a professional speech, a professional conference, a professional approach, of professional quality. Example sentences: professional noun. Please don't try to repair your wall outlet. Leave that to a professional. The common academic writing variations are professional, adjective. The professional boxer's career lasted for 2 decades. And professionally, adverb. Professionally trained musicians practice rigorously for years before attempting to play that sonata. Please write a sentence using professional in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of professional, the meaning of professional, and professional example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.